Welcome to the Do-It-Yourself upload screen. If you do not have 3 months of data from your carrier site already stored and need instructions to complete the download directly from the carrier site, click on the appropriate carrier link for step-by-step instructions. If the PDFs are saved to your computer or network, click the Upload button to begin the process. Once clicked, it will produce a pop-up window to browse your PC or network for the carrier PDF files you wish to upload. By using Shift or Control with the mouse select button, you may upload multiple files in a single upload transaction. These files do not need to be loaded in any particular date order. The file upload routine will confirm it has received a readable PDF file and will identify the month and total charges. A warning message will appear until 3 consecutive months have been uploaded. 3 months is advised for greater accuracy, but it's not required. If you realize you've uploaded the wrong file, just click the trash can icon to delete. Once you've uploaded all the months you intend to benchmark, simply press the Submit button. The system will acknowledge you're ready to process your uploaded files and will send you an email when the data is ready to review. To play this tutorial again, click the information icon or tutorial link.